boy ni sari farok sanhi samhi panga indreni jing ani a Naizol sunga namdang hom ten hena gospel track sen matang kasi sanggati milit samiti halak na in nai ani a jingkara ngemo zat anse so ani to a amaro chu boini hi muslim unaute it ani awangin atam zok bible kon lamate i kongkana pun man ani awangin jing lama mel ni to bok lawa ase puna sonin he an it kongkrai te zawin bazar lama tam tak lo badan mel moto nomta semiran chang lain postal track samso nakane e video and to 10 khongai taka kan e postal track sam te hi kinwa tarau thiangin na atoka engemani a chondring to thatak anoni pera bai sei zelin kongkai pu turin anang som cheu ani
kita order debo apa nih Bapak
gospel track sem nakane Aizol bazar sunga andang unaute an tamzo he muslim te ni a
Thôi em nghe lời
tam the angar sem so angam ani tam keng angam te chu sem zoi to a te tela ba chu chu sem zoi to mai
पूरा मेन पॉइंट आओ ना मेन जो ताओ चलो बात का मैं ये
ni jerami pute kongkana lama kan lak sakoi turin dengan cheu gospel track tam tak senso ani a rawol pakatal senso kai ko mi puten kong try hui jel ko ring som se ani Sampai mulai.
Dia pa.
de hey boynia gospel track kan keng ang ta chu kan siam so
7th of June 2025. 7th of June 2025, Saturday morning in Aizawl Bara Bazaar. White City. Aizawl is a beautiful place, beautiful people, peace-loving people. They spread the gospel of love. They don't spread the gospel of violence. Mizoram is a center of gospel of love. This distribution of Bible tract and gospel tract and the Bible is organized by Mizoram Presbyterian Synod under the supervision of Minister Committee. Welcome everybody. May God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Masih.
jai mase